Hello innovators. Today we will explore RoboArmy's latest IoT and home automation kit, a powerful combination of components designed to bring your smart ideas to life. In this video, we will walk you through each component included in the kit. So let's dive in. To make your learning seamless, we provide a trifold brochure featuring QR codes for each project. Just scan and access step-by-step video tutorials, downloadable codes, and circuit diagrams to start building right away. Inside this kit, you will find carefully selected components ideal for your IoT and automation-based project. First, we have ESP32 board, the heart of your smart system, a powerful Wi-Fi and Bluetooth-enabled microcontroller that connects your hardware to the internet. USB cable mini, used to program and power ESP32 from your laptop or PC. Jumper wire set for easy and flexible connection between components without soldering. 400 pin breadboard, your prototyping playground allowing you to design circuit without permanent connections. 2 IR sensor modules. These detect obstacle and motion, perfect for automatic lights and intrusion detection. Ultrasonic sensor module measures distance using sound waves and great for projects like smart parking and water level indicators. Temperature and humidity sensor, DHT11. It captures environmental data ideal for smart weather station and home climate control. MQ gas sensor for detecting gases like smoke, LPG or CO2, useful in safety and air quality monitoring project. Flame sensor detects fire or flames, enhancing the safety feature of your home automation system. Single channel relay module, a smart switch to control high voltage appliances using your ESP32 like fan or lights. PIR motion detector module senses human motion using infrared, useful for automatic lights or security alert. Servo motor SD90, a small motor for precision movement, great for door locks, camera rotation and more. DC motor with fan, can be used for cooling system or mini exhaust in smart homes. Small buzzer, produces alert and alarm to notify or warn user in automation projects. RGB LED, a single LED that can glow in multiple colors, perfect for indicators and lighting effects. LED plus resistor combo, 2 LED, 1K and 220 ohm resistors. Basic components to understand current flow and LED control. 4 push buttons. This is for creating inputs like switch or manual override in your project. 4x4 matrix keypad. A compact input device for password protection and menu selection system. OLED display. A bright and clear screen to show readings, message and real-time data. Battery holder 4AA, used to power modules like the relay or sensor independently. You can purchase a AA cells easily from a nearby general store or electronics shop. With this kit, you will be able to build 10 plus hands-on projects like smart home automation, IoT pet feeder, air quality monitoring, fire alarm system, wireless notice board and many more. Now that you know your components, time to bring your imagination to life. Scan the QR code in your brochure and begin your journey towards smart innovation. If you have not grabbed your kit yet, check out the Amazon link in the description and get yours today. Until next time, keep innovating with RoboArmy.